Did you hear about the latest bubblegum colors kitchen trend? The role of the kitchen within the household has evolved dramatically over the decades. Back in the 80s, kitchens became more than just a place for cooking. They began to transform into social hubs of the home, integrating dining areas with traditional workspaces and appliances. Today, we're talking about a trend that's bringing loads of fun and color. We're talking about kitchens packed with personality, vibrant colors, and even retro appliances. Appliances and cabinetry in bubblegum pink, electric blue, or even bright yellow can serve as bold artistic statements, instantly transforming the kitchen's ambience. Brands like Bluestar, KitchenAid, and Smeg are some of those that have introduced us to appliances in colors that you just can't ignore. And guess what? People are loving it. Online searches for retro kitchen designs and quirky decorations are up, showing us that people are ready for kitchens that break the mold. Social media, especially platforms like Pinterest, is buzzing with these colorful kitchen designs. Influencers are showing off their own kitchens decked out in pastel hues and bold patterns, inspiring others to do the same. It's not just about looking good. These kitchens feel good too. They're places where families gather, cook together, and make memories. So, what's the takeaway? Kitchens are no longer just functional spaces. They're a canvas for your personality, a place to experiment with colors and designs that make you happy. Now's the time to get creative. Browse our selection of premium brands at townappliance.com and find your perfect fit.